hear any one of us or who have no respect for an elderly, because with this kind of elderly, they say my mother never behaved stupidly before. I never seen my mother being stupid before. My brother, when we talk about elderly, I never seen my father who told me that what happened in the war, how it will happen, what happened. My father have never been stupid about, even when the time of Mossop, all of our brothers who are involved, they come back with white. Our fathers acknowledge them, praising them that that thing that they eluded them, that they are moving forward. They are praying that if this thing could happen in their eyes. But my brother, the elderly we have today, I am saying this to you, I'm not going to be long. My brother, as long as I was speaking with one of my sisters, he came from UK, he's not involved in Biafra anything, but they have a very big organization in United Kingdom. He told me that the day Biafra was declared, my brother, he said if you see jubilation, he said he took the thing to their meeting. He said, look. Hey, the woman, he said everybody kept quiet. She's asking them, why keeping quiet? Is he know what we are looking for? You know what they told her? They told her that Biafra is true. That Mazi Simon Ekpa took one section of Biafra from Hamadike. You see the narrative and people who call themselves an elderly is saying something that is not true. So all this I don't know who go or my brother, who cares? According to this guy Jamie say Buffet, who cares? If they were there when they keep people in Asaba, they never did nothing. They were there when people was massacred and they never did nothing. Yesterday, Mazugo was saying something. My brother, six villages in Enugu State have been taken by Fulani. So how is the DPN their problem? I want to know. I'm still trying to come. Somebody that made the history, somebody that brought smiles into the look of people's eyes. He brought smiles, and these people are ganging up. That if anyone like you were saying here, they will just go and dodge. That I'm not doing again. I'm neutral. I'm not interested. Before you know it, they will sneak in. Let me tell you today. You see Remigius. You see Adam stupid here. All these elderly fools, my brother. These people, when they are pushing, by the time they get what they want, when we begin to arrive home, when we will think that we need to go and fight, these people, they will be nowhere to be found. This elderly food, she allowed Biafra go. They have done their part. They work with Ohamadike. They work with Mazi, our Prime Minister. Now our Prime Minister have set a table before us in the presence of our enemies. They should allow the US be fight and get Biafra. Let them come back and be part of Biafra. They should leave the USB and Dr. Ngozi Arobeze alone. She have given the leading license to do whatever they want to do. He asked them to do whatever they want to do. But they cannot be using these laws and coming to insult our own person, insult a Biafran daughter. Every day they call her all manner of names. I saw those videos. The day the video was released. I watched the video from beginning to the how he was making fun and jest of this gentleman. Now, so what they are doing is that their own is to use our money, go and take these people over. We breed, they go and take over. My brother, they can do whatever they want. PM is coming out. Look, let me conclude. These people, this group of people, Madam Adimafko, she was suspended. That was why she was suspended by PM. So who cares? Well, I don't know whatever I call herself, because I know people that are answering or no in Anambra State. They are highly placed people. So she